guys? So here's the video for today's car. Beautiful Ford Capri, our American muscle. I love the conversion. Beautiful resto mod. Just look at this car, guys. Even the bumpers are nice and chrome. The wheels, it's a Ford Capri, an original Ford Capri. From what I've heard, they're very scarce. Resto mod, of course, so not original as original, but beautiful Ford Capri Resto mod. This car is actually a drag race car. The uncle drag races it, elderly person. And check the meat in the rear. Check a beautiful steering wheel. 5-speed car. This car is just lovely. There you guys have it for the Ford Capri. You guys have it. Yeah. And here's the final power figures, guys. So the car came with 194 kilowatts, 387 newton meters of torque. And the final figures 204 kilowatts, 412 newton meters, as you can see here. So the car was tuned here a while ago, and somehow, since it was a crate engine, I guess somehow it just got working and opened up properly. So more power, because it was tuned here. So yeah, it just got a bit more power.